Hey everyone, welcome back to channel. Today we're going in depth with the DJI Neo, a lightweight and portable drone designed specifically for indoor flying. Weighing in at just 135 grams, this tiny powerhouse is packed with features that will blow your mind. Design and safety. The DJI Neo is designed with safety as a top priority, making it an ideal choice for both beginners and experienced users. One of its standout features is the full coverage propeller guards. These guards encase the propellers completely, ensuring that the drone can safely operate in confined areas. Whether you're flying in an office, at home, or indoors, a propeller guards significantly reduce the risk of accidents. They protect both the environment and the drone itself, preventing damage to walls, furniture, or other objects that might come into contact with the spinning propellers. For beginners, the propeller guards offer an added layer of security, allowing them to fly with confidence. Even if the drone bumps into something, the guards minimize the impact, preventing potential damage to the propellers. This design consideration makes the DJI Neo not only durable but also user-friendly, as it reduces the likelihood of needing repairs or replacements due to minor collisions. Additionally, the propeller guards make the DJI Neo safer for people nearby. By enclosing the propellers, they prevent accidental contact with fingers or other body parts, which is particularly important in crowded or indoor environments. Overall, the combination of robust design and comprehensive safety features makes the DJI Neo a reliable and worry-free option for various flying scenarios. Camera capabilities. The DJI Neo's camera is a standout feature that significantly enhances the drone's appeal. It shoots in 4K resolution, ensuring that every video is ultra-smooth and crystal clear. This level of quality makes a noticeable difference whether you're filming landscapes, action shots, or casual footage. The 4K resolution captures fine details, vivid colors, and sharp contrasts, giving your videos a professional look even if you're not an experienced drone pilot. One of the most impressive aspects of the DJI Neo's camera is its stabilization technology. This feature ensures that your footage remains smooth and steady, even if the drone experiences minor shakes or movement. Stabilization is crucial for producing professional-looking videos, especially when filming in challenging environments where wind or sudden movements could otherwise ruin your shot. Another key feature is the AI subject tracking. Using advanced machine learning algorithms, the DJI Neo can automatically detect and follow a subject, keeping it in the frame at all times. This is particularly useful for capturing dynamic scenes, such as a person running, a car driving, or an animal moving through a landscape. The AI does all the hard work for you, adjusting the drone's position and camera angle to keep your subject centered and in focus. Overall, the DJI Neo's camera capabilities make it an excellent choice for anyone looking to capture high-quality aerial footage. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, the combination of 4K resolution, stabilization, and AI tracking ensures that your videos will be both stunning and professional. Flight time and battery. Now let's talk flight time. With around 15 minutes of airtime, the DJI Neo may not be the longest flying drone out there, but it's still plenty for capturing those special moments. Plus, the battery is easily swappable, so you can extend your flight time with extra batteries. Pricing and release, and the best part, the DJI Neo is expected to be priced at just $329, including additional batteries, a charging hub, and a shoulder bag. Plus, with its recent appearance in the FCC database, we won't have to wait long to get our hands on one. There you got it, folks. The DJI Neo is a powerhouse of a drone that's perfect for beginners and pros alike. Stay tuned for more updates and let me know what you think about this incredible drone in the comments below.